Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're doing something a little different. We're talking about a product that's designed to improve accuracy and consistency in bartending. The Spill Stop 13T910 Exacto Pour Bar Test Kit. If you're in the hospitality industry, particularly bartending, this could be a game changer for your bar operations. Let's dive into the details and see if it really delivers on its promises. The Spill Stop 13910 Exacto Pour Bar Test Kit is a bartender training tool that focuses on improving pour accuracy. It's designed to help bartenders avoid overpouring and ensure that every drink served meets the exact standards required for profitability and portion control. The kit comes with 7 plastic tubes, each marked with precise measurements, as well as 7 O-rings and a sturdy stand for easy setup and use. Made in the USA, it's built to withstand daily use in high-volume environments like bars, restaurants, or even bartending schools. When I first tested this kit, it was straightforward to use. The 7 precision-marked tubes give you an easy visual confirmation of how much liquid is being poured, which is crucial for assessing pour consistency. If you've ever worked behind the bar, you know how important it is to ensure that every drink is consistent. Not just for customer satisfaction, but for maintaining a profitable operation. The tubes provide clear markings that make it simple to check if the bartender is pouring the correct amount, making this tool ideal for training staff. One of the standout features of the kit is its portability. The entire setup is compact, which makes it easy to store and transport between training sessions. The durability is another plus. With the sturdy stand and O-rings that ensure stability, you don't have to worry about it tipping over during use. It's clear that this tool is made with busy bars in mind, and that's something I really appreciate. Now, onto the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Spill Stop 13910 Exacto Pour Test Kit is simple to use and incredibly practical for training bartenders. It's also very durable and lightweight, making it portable and easy to store when not in use. I also really like the precision markings on the tubes. They make it easy to see exactly how accurate each pour is, which is exactly what you need when training staff or improving pour consistency. On the flip side, the one drawback I noticed is that it may not be necessary for smaller or less busy establishments that don't have a high volume of drink orders. For these types of environments, you might be able to get away with more traditional methods of training bartenders like with visual checks or using a jigger. But if you're in a high volume setting or you're focused on perfecting your pours for better portion control, this kit is definitely valuable. As for the value for money, I think the Spill Stop 13910 Exacto Pour Test Kit is reasonably priced for what it offers. It's durable, portable, and most importantly, it helps improve bartender accuracy, which can directly impact your bar's profits by reducing waste. If you're running a bar or managing a restaurant, I'd say this is a solid investment to help your team work more efficiently and profitably. In terms of comparisons, there are a few other bartender training tools out there, but this one stands out because of its simplicity and durability. Some alternatives might offer more features, like digital pour tracking, but if you're looking for something that's hands-on, practical, and built for daily use, the Spill Stop kit does its job without all the unnecessary extras. When it comes to build quality and longevity, this kit really shines. It's built to last, even in a high-traffic bar environment. The materials used are sturdy and designed for continuous use, so you won't need to replace it after a few months of use. And finally, the customer service from Spill Stop has been great from what I've heard. I didn't have any issues directly with customer service, but the brand has a solid reputation for being responsive and handling inquiries efficiently. So to wrap things up, the Spill Stop 13910 Exacto Pour Bar Test Kit is a must-have tool for bartenders and bar managers looking to improve pour consistency and reduce waste. It's practical, durable, and easy to use, making it a great training tool for new hires or for refining skills. It's ideal for high-volume bars and restaurants where precision is key. If you're looking to improve your bar's efficiency and profits, this kit is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers and bar enthusiasts can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching today's review. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it's worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful and pour like a pro.